So he has took me, how far we've been?
I don't know.
And we are way out in the sticks. This is what's that? It's an old church, an old chapel. This is where we are. We were going to put some fuel in, but we forgot, and I'm now down to just digit, and I've done about 20 mile on that digit, so we've got to fill up. So the beauty of these I bought was this emergency tank, but Andrew has to undo it because I can't feel my fingers.
Yeah.
Have you done it?
I'm done.
Right,
Yeah.
Yeah, it drops down, Andrew, that's it. There we go. You have to take the whole thing off, I think.
The bolt.
Yeah, take the whole bolt out. So this is an emergency tank that I bought to go with the bike because it's got about 120 something mile to the tank. Oop. So yeah, we'll pop that in a minute. Oh, I'm froze. He has this thing which has heated grips, covers a lot. He's warm as toasty roasty. I'm frozy wozy. All right.
Yeah.
Right, put this in a sec. It's a reverse funnel. Yeah, there you go. They're very handy. They has to be because I'd be running out now. We'd be stuck up here. I can't remember how much I paid for that. Ooh.
Good, isn't it?
Yeah. There we go. So that's, what is that? What? I don't know what it is. 5 litres? You want a bit in yours, do you?
Better add.
Okay. Well, I'll just stop now and I'll just pause and have a look how much fuel I got in. I need at least 3 digits, yeah?
It's a bit eerie, isn't it?
It is very quiet.
See how far we can get. The dead end this is, kind of.
Is it? Yeah. Do you want to put a bit in yours now?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll check what I got in mine. You can't get the key out unless you push it in. Oh God. Well, I'm pretty. I got 3, Andrew. Just for another bit in. Actually, won't fit it back in the bike. I can put it in my back box, and that way we can fill it up again, can I? All right. Okay. You got to forget. Yeah, you have to take that out and swap it round. There's a cap as well in it. It's good, isn't it? It works really well. It's to put that on and then that on top. Andrew's got dropsies. Your hand's cold?
No.
I'm froze.
Mud. You froze?
Froze. I'm absolutely froze to the bone.
That's what you mean. Skin gun.
Right, so that's the belt that holds it on. Got the glasses with me. There we go. So we'll pop it in there. Yeah. Yep. And then put that in there as well. And we're done. So we're going to go back down to the village because we come up pretty high and I'm froze. So I'm going to borrow this and have a go on this with the heated grips and everything else from the radiators and just to get warm on the way back. We turn around?
No, yeah, we'll go a bit further.
Oh right, okay, we're going a bit further. Right.